YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you're looking for information on how to become successful with YouTube, even if you're just a beginner, which we'll be going over just a few seconds, I just want to let you know you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video for the best secret. This is also part 9 in the secret playlist to grow your YouTube channel. So if you missed out on any of the other videos, feel free to check them out after this one. Hey, I'm Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Great. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Secret number 1, you just got to create a vibe that, you don't see too often. You can't get it anywhere else. And I could already tell that you have it. You just got to find a way to show it on video, right? So whether that's you got the swag, you got the funny jokes in the background, you know how to make people laugh, or you're the entertaining person, whatever your angle is, you gotta learn how to create that vibe for that viewer. Someone helped me out when I tried to ask for some advice, and they said learn to create your own experience. So when you create an experience, people can't find this anywhere else. And once people start, they start digging your vibe, they start checking you out more and more of your videos, you're gonna start building a community, you're building this audience. You got number 1 day 1 supporters now. These are gonna be your viewers, your subscribers, and now you have a whole community backing you up. And that's only step 1 on being successful on YouTube. I wanna illustrate an example with this. For guys, we all go to a certain barber because we feel comfortable, we trust this person to cut, our hair, right? And the things we look for is a certain vibe that barber can present, right? He knows how to take his time with the lineup. He always cleans you up with that nice fade, whatever the case may be. Same thing with the girls. I know the girls, they go to a specific nail lady when they're getting the nails done in the salon, right? You go to that specific lady because you actually genuinely like her work. She takes her time, she goes, pays attention to all the details, and she makes you feel an experience that you never had before. So comment down below and let me know what kind of vibe are you interested in viewing, or what kind of vibe can you present towards your viewers. Secret number 2, you gotta do stuff that the big whales, and I like to call the big whales, right? The bigger YouTube channels, do what the big whales are not doing, right? So just to illustrate an example, the big whales, they may be just uploading a video once a week, right? So in order for you to stand out so more people can see your content, consider uploading 3 videos a week, or maybe once a day, right? So you're putting yourself more out there, you're doing something that the bigger whales are not doing. Not only this making you just a better creator, but it's showing people that you're different and you're setting yourself up to stand out even more. It's all about the details. Everybody likes to pay attention to all the little things. So if you could do the little things right, that's just gonna boost up your success. Another little thing you could do is just, especially if you're starting out, you're only gonna get a few views, right? So if you have people commenting under your videos, show them some love. Give them the heart reaction, a thumbs up, and just genuinely respond to their comments. Find ways to give back towards your community, right? Because when you're starting to build out your channel, you're gonna build this, small community that's gonna end up big. So just find out ways in order for you to give back to them so that they support you even more. This can be in the form of a giveaway, this can be a shout out, this can be a simple heart on their comment. The little things do count. I want to give you guys another example to illustrate my point. Imagine you just got your car, it's all dirtied up, you want to take it to the car wash, right? In order for you to get that, solidified experience, in order for you to be satisfied, you want to deep clean, right? You want to make sure, the windows is shining, you can see the reflection on just about anything you put it up against. When they just cleaned up the body, the paint looks fresh, like it just got freshly painted. Your rims now, they're all shiny and everything, they got that little gliss to them. And all the little touch-ups, when they're all put together, it makes it look and it makes it feel the impression of you just got a brand new car, right? So when you learn how to put the little things all together, it gives off this feeling that, oh, they did the little things right, you're more satisfied. Do the same thing for your viewers when making your content. Like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. And if you made it to this point in the video, I want to share with you the best secret that can make you even more successful within YouTube. Not only is it about you and your community, when you're starting off, you're building up this massive, fan base or support base, but you also have to learn it's not about you and just them. If you learn how to give towards other people, towards other communities related to your niche, or maybe other creators, just showing love, showing support to, and reaching out to those kind of people, when you learn to give, they're gonna give back in different ways. It's gonna come unexpected, right? They might give you shout outs, They might just help you on collaborations. This just opens doors for you to network with other people within your niche, you know. And once you start working with more people, you just get better at, you know, at crafting your work. You get better at, you know, networking and meeting more people for more ideas on different ways to present your content. And at the end of the day, you're getting better yourself, so you can make better content for your fans, for your viewers, and your future subscribers. Not only is this opening doors for other collaborators, you know, other creators within your YouTube niche, but this can open doors for companies who maybe want to endorse you, do a sponsorship with you, right? Maybe you could promote some products and you can make even more money with YouTube. You know, when you learn how to give back to the community, good karma will come your way. I want to just solidify my point with just giving you guys another great example so you can paint a picture in your head. And you know, picture your family and friends coming together for a holiday like Christmas. It's not just about singing jolly songs with the people around you or waiting for Santa to come down the chimney, but it's more about just everyone coming together to give to each other and just to feel that sense of togetherness. So if you have this mindset going into YouTube, you will become more successful. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys are looking for even more ways to grow your YouTube channel, check out my other playlists. I'll have them linked in the description below. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you really enjoyed this content and it really helped you out. Also, check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. That's all. Peace out.